egg with tomatoes and potatoes, an easy Afghani style breakfast recipe which can be made easily at home. Today we are going to make egg with tomatoes and potatoes, an easy Afghani style breakfast recipe, or anda aloo tomato breakfast recipe. The ingredients are tomatoes 2 cut into small pieces, big onion 1 cut into pieces, a spoon of black pepper powder, one potato cut into small cubes, tomato paste 2 to 3 spoons, 3 to 4 green chillies, and a sprig of coriander or cilantro leaves, and 4 eggs. The black pepper is the main ingredient which is used in Afghani breakfast. The chili is used just as a dressing and just for garnish. Heat the pan and pour in 4 spoons of olive oil, let the oil get heated. Now put in the potatoes, which we cut into cubes. Salt, the potatoes for 1 to 2 minutes. The potatoes should be cut into small cubes so that it is easy for cooking. Now put in the onions which we have cut into small pieces. Salt, for 1 to 2 minutes until the onions turn golden. Keep on sauteing the onions until they turn golden. put in the tomatoes. Salt. Salt and mix the tomatoes with the potatoes and the other ingredients. Now put in the tomato paste that we made and put in the pepper powder. Salt and mix the tomato paste and the pepper powder with the potatoes, tomatoes and the other ingredients. Mix thoroughly so that they are all incorporated. Keep on sauteing for 1 to 2 minutes. This is so that all the ingredients are nicely mixed and nicely cooked, and the pepper and the tomato are nicely mixed. Put in salt to taste and mix. Mix thoroughly so that the salt also is evenly mixed in the mixture. Otherwise, parts will be saltier, certain parts will have no salt. So keep on mixing thoroughly. Pour in 500 ml of water. And mix. And let the mixture boil. Mix all the ingredients in the water. Mix thoroughly so that all the ingredients are nicely mixed. Keep on mixing so that the ingredients are nicely mixed in the water. Now let the mixture boil. Once the mixture starts boiling, break the eggs and pour into the mixture. Do this with all the 4 eggs. Now let the mixture boil. The white portion comes up and forms a type of film on top of the mixture. And let the mixture boil and let all the water evaporate. The mixture should not be stirred at this time. We just allow the mixture to boil. Put in the green chilies for garnish. Put in the cilantro on top, cilantro leaves. All these are garnished. Now the egg with potatoes and tomatoes, easy Afghani style breakfast recipe is ready. This can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final egg with potatoes and tomatoes. An easy Afghani style breakfast which can be made easily within 15 minutes. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe and press the notification button.